Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to change your age on Roblox. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, tap on More at the bottom right of your screen. Scroll down a bit. Tap on Settings. Select Account Info. Scroll down a bit and tap on Birthday. Now go ahead and change your age. You have to verify yourself before changing your age, so go ahead and type in your password. Once you're done, tap on Verify. Now you can go ahead and make the necessary changes. Once you're done, scroll down. Now go ahead and tap on Save. And that's it. Now you have successfully changed your age on Roblox. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.